This technique is a complete game changer in wedding videography. After over 10 years of experience in shooting wedding videos, I will show you how to impress your clients with amazing shots and get a lot of new ones. You will see behind the scenes how I work with that solution and without wasting time and footage, so you can shoot exact scene as you want, and it doesn't matter what camera you are using. Is it Panasonic like me, Sony or any other mirrorless cameras? So let me show you how it works. The secret is manual focus. Well, kind of, because you are not using focus ring, but only one button. So it's like a hybrid, something between auto and manual, but the focus in your camera will not change until you decide to do that. Simply switch to manual, and by pressing this button, your camera will set focus automatically, exactly on point, and it will stay there until you press the button again or change the distance between camera and the object. Let's see that in practice. Here you can see how I set the bright details and move the camera to my focus point, which is the ring. I do that a couple of times, like 2 or 3, so later I can choose which was the best. I do that also with groom details, but with different perspective or motion. Another example is when a photographer is preparing the dress. I shoot the suit from different angles, all the time moving my camera, because it's a static object, so you need to add movement to your scenes. Keep an eye on such details like hanger or buttons. Bride and groom likes to personalize them, so it's really important to show it. Now let's see those close-up shots. Now let me explain where's the difference. While shooting in autofocus mode, there's always a risk that the camera decides to change the focus point if something appears in front of it. Like in this example, one of the guests suddenly stands up exactly in the middle of the frame, and the camera automatically changes its point of interest and ruins the shot. Another example is recording the bride and groom from the side while walking through the guests. In this case, autofocus will be working all the time and searching where to stop, but it's impossible to do that correctly because there are too many objects getting into frame all the time. Here we have the shot, and look where is the focus point. It's right over here, not on the bride and groom. And while they are walking, it's all the time changing. It's searching. Here are the focus point, and now let's see, it's gone. Here is no focus at all. Now let's go forward frame by frame. Here we can see that the focus point is right over here, not on them. It's on the wall. And now when we move forward, we see that the guests are in focus, but not the couple. And while they're moving, autofocus is still pushing, and here we will see like the focus point will be right on them, like I think half of the second, and now it's changing to these people. You see, they are out of focus, and now we can see that the focus going back. So it is impossible to shoot in autofocus this type of scene. Now we can see how it works in manual focus. This is the shot. Look, here we have our focus point. These are autofocus, so our focus is not working, but it's still. And here you can see like they are all the time in focus. And finally, let me show you how I work. Let's start from the entrance to the church. Father is walking with daughter, and first shot is from the back. Now I'm moving to the side. You've seen that already. And now I'm moving to get the front shot. Here set my focus point. And there it is. So using this technique, you will get your subjects in focus all the time. Here's an example of the shot that is impossible to do with autofocus, but in manual it works perfectly. So you set the focus point on the couple, move up, and then when you move down, the focus will be on them. Now I'm getting fast move to record the bride, and check this out how it looks in camera. So we can see the flower and the couple is out of focus. Now let's get back on the side and moving forward to bride and groom. I always shoot the details at the beginning in the church, so you can see now how I shoot the window. Then fast swipe left and shoot the figures. And going back to the bride and groom, because now they are standing, not sitting. And the same technique, set the focus point, hit record, and move the camera from one side to another. Now is the perfect example how manual focus works, because you can see how I record their hands. So the focus point will be still on them and the background will be a little bit blurry. Look at that. It's just impossible to do that with autofocus. Now let's jump in the back of the church and get some revealing shot from down to the couple sitting. This is how it looks. They are still in the focus point. Now some detail, the flowers on the side, and the couple will be in the background. Look at that. This is perfect shot. Here you can see the vow. I will move to see the groom and set the focus point on him. And now I'm going back to the center and wait for the bride to tie their hands. We'll see exactly how it looks in the camera. Here we have the footage. So I'm standing straight, waiting to tie their hands, and now I'm going back on the side. And this technique allows to edit video like it will be a multicam. You will see that right away, because at the end of the groom's vow I will move on the other side, so you will see the bride speaking. There it is. At the end of this footage I will show you how I edited that video, so you will be able to see what I mean.
Ja, Olaf,
Biorę Ciebie, Weroniko, za żonę
biorę Ciebie, Weroniko, za żonę
Biorę Ciebie, Olafie, za męża
i ślubuję Ci
i ślubuję Ci
miłość, wierność
i uczciwość małżeńską.
oraz, że Cię nie opuszczasz do śmierci.
oraz, że Cię nie opuszczasz do śmierci.
Tak mi dopomóż,
Tak mi dopomóż,
Panie Boże Wszechmogący,
Panie Boże Wszechmogący,
w Trójcy Jedyny
W Trójcy Jedyny
wszyscy święci.
i wszyscy święci.
And here we have another details, this time on the left side of the church. We have a painting, another sculpture. Those are like short scenes in the video. And here we have couple going out of the church. I will move behind them so I can shoot another scene from the bottom, like a reveal shot. And now I will go in front of them. All the time I'm telling them what to do. So here I will tell the bride to show the flowers. There it is. And now I'm telling them to stop for a couple of seconds because we need to change the settings because of the different lighting. And now I'm telling them to move forward, and here we have the final shot when they're going out of the church. And there it is. And it's a kiss, and perfect, everything in the frame. And here is the last group scene when the couple is kissing, and I asked the people for the applause, telling them to clap all the time while the bride and groom are kissing. Check this out. And there it is. I have this shot from different angles, so I can choose which one is the best. And one more shot with their daughter. And this is how it looks like. Great. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can use that technique in your videos so you can improve your clients. For me it works perfect. Everything stays in focus. And of course, if you like the video, you can subscribe, hit the thumbs up or share it to someone who's shooting wedding videos as a solo filmmaker. And of course there will be more. So see you in the next video.